Welcome to the sixth video of the series of Power BI. In this video, we will discuss how to edit a column inside the Power UI Query Editor. So basically, guys, we want to modify a column. We have already created a table, and now we want to modify the column. So how we can achieve this? We can directly jump on the Query Editor. So welcome back. This is Swap Tripathi again, and let us discuss how to edit a column. So here, what we want to do, we have a column which we don't want in the data set. So we can see that column 1 at the end is a column which we don't want. It has all the value D, and we want to remove this column. Okay, we can change the value to. We can do several modification. We will discuss all the kind of modification that we can do to a particular column. So in this video, again, guys, there are several things that you can do with the column, and we will cover that too in the coming video. So we will go with baby steps. We'll do the basic thing first, then we will do the complex thing. So initially we will go with the basic part. Okay, let us start with the video. So guys, initially what you will do, when you click on this column, you can see that the color of this column has changed to yellow. That means it is selected right now. Okay, once you're done with the selection part, all you need to do, go on the column, this option, and click on it. You will see choose the column, go to column. Okay, this is to choose a particular column, and right next to it you will see remove column, and it will say remove the column or remove others column. What you can do, if you choose remove column, okay, in case you choose remove column, the particular selected column will be deleted. Okay, and in case if you select a column, like I'm selecting this category column and I'm choosing keep the column and remove other columns, it means it will remove other columns. It will only keep the current column that you have selected. Okay, that is the option that we can use. If you want to undo the steps that you have done, you can simply come here and click on this cross button. Okay, when you click on this cross, it will undo all the steps that you have done. Okay, so it allows you to switch to the steps as well as to undo the steps. Okay, what you can do, you can also select a column, click right, you can right click and you will see all the options. So remove the column, keep remove other columns, duplicate column, and add column, remove, duplicate. All the columns are there, and you can see there are several options. You can also replace the values. So if you want to replace the values, you can simply click on replace. Okay, it will ask you what you want to replace. So if I want to, I want to replace D with the say ABC. Okay, and when I click on OK, it will simply replace all the D's with ABC. As you can see, it is quite easy, and this is not the only feature that we have. We have other options too. So if you observe closely, you will see remove error, transform, replace, and splitting the column. And if you want to split with a delimiter, basically we mean we want to split this column with some kind of, with some kind of symbol and anything like that. And we will do this later. Definitely splitting is something that we will do cover later. For now, we will just remove this column as because we don't want this column in the data set. Okay, so to remove this, we'll simply go here and click remove this column. Okay, this column has been removed, and this is how you modify a column. And now we will, in the next video, we'll discuss how to do the same things with the row. Okay, this is all for the video, guys. Thank you.